Hey, welcome to this tutorial. So today I just want to show you very quickly how to change either your phone number, your name, or your bank account inside HELB. So HELB, because if you know, there's a loan board in Kenya that allows you to study because without ever worrying about school fees. Now to do that, you need to download a form. So that form, actually, maybe just quickly, there's this tutorial that we just published on our site, how to change HELB phone number. So it includes a link to the form that you need to download. So to change your phone number with the Higher Education Loans Board, you need to download a form. That form you can download it by following this link. So I'll leave a link in the description to that form. Now once you've submitted that form, so you can either download the form on their website or get it on inside your nearest Huduma center. You need to fill the form. So I'll show you in a minute how the form looks like. Once you've done that, you need to submit the form through the email, that's contact@help.co.ke, or you can just call directly the phone number, that's 0711 052 000. That's the phone number of HELB. So you can once you fill the form, either email it to contact@help.co.ke or call their phone number. Now the form, to get the form, head over to help.co.ke, then come here to resources and downloads. Then it will bring you to this page. Then this is the form. You need to download this one right here. Now what does it look like? This is how the form looks like. Now to fill it, make sure you fill everything. That's your name, ID, institution, your admission form, mobile phone number, email, and all that. If you're changing the phone number, you need to include, or you need to indicate the old phone number. Then down here, include the new phone number. Now if you're changing your bank account, include the old details, old bank details, and then down here you need to indicate the new ones. Once if you've done that, include the signature, date, and then you attach any of these copies. That's the copy of your national ID, copy of your ATM or bank card. So there's this card when you go to open your bank account, there's this card that they write the account number. You can include a copy of that. Then this is now for visual use only. Then now, since you've printed this, you need to scan it into soft copy. Then you email it to this email to this email address, and then you indicate either whether you're changing your phone number or you're changing your bank details accounts. Thank you guys, that's the tutorial. If you like more like this stuff like this, if you have any question concerning anything in Kenya, we can create a video for you. So just leave a comment below asking us any question, and of course don't forget to support the channel by either sharing, liking, and of course subscribing. See you in the next one. Bye bye.